Assalamu alaikum grade 4 children. See, today in this video teacher is going to teach you homophones and it is on your page number 29. In your textbook page number 29 homophones it is given. See here children, one sentence teacher will writing or teacher has written already. Just see the sentence. Here is one sentence children. Tell me the tale about the tale. Here tale. Tell me the tale about the tale. All the similar sound only. Almost 99% the sound is similar. But see the spelling of first tale, T-E-L-L, tale. Second tale, T-A-L-E, tale. And here, T-A-I-L, tale. A little bit difference it is there. But all are tale only. So this type of words, they are similar in sound. But the meaning is different. Here, tell, to say. Bolna. Here meet the tale. Here the tale means story children. And about the tale, the last tale is, the tale means what? It is the body part of animal. Do jo hoti hai na wo. So here children, all these three tale, it has the different spelling and different meaning but the sound is similar. They are known as homophones. Here on page number 29, homophones, here it is given the definition of homophones. Words that have the same sound but different spellings and meanings are called homophones. What teacher said, the same definition it is over here. They have given with the picture to understand and very easily you will understand this children. Here the two birds, spelling of B-E-R-T-H and B-I-R-T-H. Both the sound they are same but spelling is different and meaning absolutely different. Here say this man, say the man is sitting on berth. जो ट्रेन में होती है ना जो सीट पे हम बैठते हैं उसको बर्थ बोलते हैं. एंड ही इज एन अमेरिकन बाय बर्थ. और वो उसकी पैदाइश, यहाँ पे पैदाइश, दिस बर्थ इज पैदाइश, जहाँ पे वो पैदा हो गया है. सो इज एन अमेरिकन बाय बर्थ. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस टू difference you can understand now. The sound is same, but if suppose by mistake if you will write the man is sitting on this BIR berth or here by berth, so the meaning will be absolutely wrong. The sentence will be absolutely wrong. So here the spelling we must have to be very careful while writing the words. You must know the correct spelling. Here the second example, it is given on page number 30 children. See here, board and board. See this children, they are children and whatever the people they are there. See the people on board looked with a bored expressions at the endless stretch of water. They are just seeing the water and water only. So they are very bored. But where they are boarding on the boat. जहाँ पे वो बैठे हैं ना, it is known as boarding, board. And here next one, cereal and cereal. These are the two same sounding word. The meaning is absolutely different children. See the cereal boxes, some food it is children. Okay. Conflicts also you know, no children? Then are stocked in the cupboard according to their serial number. What is this serial number? 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, 6, 7, whatever it is, but it is according to the number, serial number, one after the other. Then here the example of ceiling and ceiling. The mason used cement for ceiling. ऊपर जो छत होता है ना वो ceiling. And crack in the ceiling, children. Here he is using the ceiling. वो seal कर रहा है उसको, पैक कर रहा है बच्चों, पैकिंग. And this ceiling छत जो होती है, first वाला is packing and the other one SE means packing, SEE means ceiling, that छत. Then here is the sight and sight. It was a wonderful sight. Sight मतलब जो हम देखते, जो नज़ारा है. Sight to see the workers on the construction site. Here the जो जहाँ पे काम होता है ना, जो जगह पे काम होता है वो प्लेस को, जो जहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन होता है उसको बोलते हैं साइट. SITE, site. Then here children, dough and dough. Here I made small balls of dough to beat the hungry dough. Here one is to feed it is children, to feed the hungry dough. The first one is जो आटा हम गूंथते ना, that is उसका जो ये बन जाता है, that is dough. And this one is bird, dough. So homophones, no, they are the similar sound words. Spelling is different, meaning absolutely different. And if you make the mistake of spelling, the sentence will be wrong and it will give the wrong meaning also. So be careful and understand that the same meaning. Here I am going to read for you. Homophones are words that are often misspelled. Misspelled मतलब गलत spelling और mixed up. और अगर हमने उसको mix up किया, it is very important to spell words correctly, as wrong word usage conveys an entirely different meaning. उसका एकदम मीनिंग ही बदल जाएगा. अगर हमने ऐसा स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक किया तो उसका मीनिंग बदल जाएगा, entirely it will be wrong. So we have to be careful while writing these words, this type of words. We must know the correct word. So children, tomorrow we will do the exercise of that. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.